If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this.
Said he wants everybody to suffer the way.
Well, that thing picks up, y'all. Alright people, as you all can see, here we are at IceBreaker here at Seaworld. The line's a lot longer than it was when I first got on it. Man, it's 60 minutes now, it was 20.
Welcome back. Please unbuckle and lift up on your comfort collar. Lift the harness and step carefully over the blue bar. Thank you for riding IceBreaker and enjoy the rest of your ice. Welcome back. Please unbuckle and lift up on your comfort collar. Lift the harness and step carefully over the blue bar. Thank you for riding IceBreaker and enjoy the rest of your day here at SeaWorld. Now sit back with your back against the seat and head against the headrest. And get ready to break the ice.
Oh man. Oh man. Alright y'all, that was a lot better than I expected. Wow. Good ride, really good ride.
And get ready to break the ice.
So this is actually my second time riding, and I rode the front row the first time, so you all see that. Let's see how it goes.
Step carefully over the blue bar. Thank you for riding IceBreaker and enjoy the rest of your day here.
Nice and beautiful. All right, here we go. Here we go. was good. That was really good. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.